Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do CloudFront Lab with you. So CloudFront is a pay-as-you-go content delivery network service from AWS, which delivers content from origin locations to the edge location. What edge location does, that decreases our latency to access and download objects, which saves our cost and time. This service also integrates to the other services like Route 53 for canonical name. Let's have a look in the lab environment. So log in to your AWS account. Okay, just type S3 here. What we are going to create an S3 bucket here. Okay, so bucket name must be unique and must not contain spaces or uppercase letters. So let's see, London bucket. If we are unique here, London bucket. Yeah, seems good. So allow the public access to it. Accept it. Versioning you can disable or enable. I will leave it disabled for the moment, but in the working environment, you might need to enable versioning, which creates different copies of your data and don't overwrite. So versioning is a mean keeping multiple variants of an object in the same bucket. You can use versioning to preserve, retrieve, and restore every version of every object stored in your Amazon S3 bucket. With versioning, you can easily recover from both unintended user actions and applications failure. For example, if you delete it accidentally, you will have a still chance to recover it. Okay, default encryption for now, I will leave it as disable. Our London bucket, someone is already having with this name. So I will just put set London set. Let's see if no one having with this name now. Yeah. Okay, we having our bucket here. Now let's upload a file to it. Yeah, that's been uploaded. Go to your bucket and see now if you can access it to your through HTTPS. Now this is blocked yet. So what you need to do, come down. Here, access control list. Edit it. Give it a read rights to the public. You can also give other rights to it, but for now, I will just give public access to read it. Understand the effects of these changes on this object and save changes. Now, if you see, this is opening here, an S3 bucket. Okay. Yep. Now let's create a CloudFront. I have it here, but you can always search here, CloudFront. That is a global content delivery. Okay, I already have a bucket. Let me see if I can delete it. Yes, and close it. Now creating a bucket, right? We will go for the web version. Select delivery method for your content. We will go for the web version. RMTP, you can see CloudFront is disconnecting support for RTMP distributions on December 31st, 2020. So we don't need this one. So let's get started. Now select your bucket origin name here. Okay. Origin is started. Enable origin shield. If you want, you can protect it, but for now it's okay. Restrict bucket access. Yes. Create a new identity for this bucket. This is our new identity for the bucket. You can apply your own company policies as well. I will leave it. Origin connection attempts 3. So read this, what it is here. The number of times that CloudFront attempts to connect to the origin valid values are from 1 to 3. The default is 3 attempts. So this will try to connect to your CloudFront. Will try to connect to the origin 3 times at least here, or origin connection time, or the amount of time in seconds that CloudFront waits when trying to establish a connection to the origin. Valid values are from 1 to 10 seconds. The default is 10 seconds. Okay. Here we viewer protocol policy. If you want CloudFront to allow viewers to access your web content using either HTTP or HTTPS, specify HTTP and HTTPS. If you want CloudFront to redirect all HTTP requests to HTTP, your secure server, specify this. So we will choose this in this case. Now, however, our object is in S3, so we need to go for this option, get head options, put post and fetch delete. Now, cache origin, use cache policy, origin request policy. This is recommended from the AWS. Okay. Smooth streaming, distribute viewer access using URLs or signed cookies. Okay. Select event type. Right. Here even you can activate your Lambda function, but we don't need it here. Enable time logs. Right. Distribution setting. You must select this option here. Edge location, best performance, that is for all over the world. Look, there are 205, I think, edge locations worldwide so far. Alternate domain name, like I said, Route 53, you can choose with CNAMEs as well. And the rest seems all good. So create a distribution. Okay, once you have created that, this is your domain name. Okay, clicking here, there is another options. This is all the information about your CloudFront. You can edit that if you want. Distribution status is still in progress. You can restrict the geolocation if you want. For example, let me just show you this one. Enable, you can choose the countries if you don't want them to be enabled to see your stuff there. So we can leave as it is. We are not doing this at the minute. Cancel it. Okay. So copy this. Sorry. To the notepad. And let's go to the S3 bucket, see the content. Okay. This is about, so we have this web access here. So take this identity of your bucket and paste it at the end of your content delivery. Select all and copy it. Right. So here you were opening it in your S3 bucket, but here you are opening it through your edge location, which is a quite fast service, as I explained earlier. Now, once you have done that, don't forget to delete this all to not to pay any bills. So let's go to the CloudFront and select this CloudFront distribution. You cannot delete it straight away. You need to disable first. So just click disable. It will take some time as it is in the process here. In the meantime, I will go to S3 bucket. Okay. If I try to delete this, look what happens. What it is saying, this bucket is not empty. Buckets must be empty before they can be deleted. To delete all objects in the bucket, use the empty bucket configuration. So what you need to do, you just need to type in permanently delete. You can copy or you can just type here and or copy and paste. Okay, you can see the bucket is empty now. Exit. Now you will be able to delete it. So type your bucket name here, which is London. Delete this bucket. The bucket has been deleted. Let's go back to the CloudFront and see what it is doing. Okay, it's still in progress. Let me see if we'll allow now. So I need to wait until this ends. Status. So we have to wait. Once the status is changed, then this option will be available for you and you just click on delete. Thank you for watching and hope this helps here. Thank you very much.